Hello! Today we are going to be writing our first code for the microbit. You're going to be using a website called makecode.microbit.org and writing a code that in theory you would put on a microbit if we were in class. Now you can't really use microbits with your iPad because there's no place to plug into a USB port on your iPads. But one code you're going to be making is a flashing heart like this. And your second code is a name tag. So like mine is scrolling my name. And then it's going to say Mrs. Bradley loves PLTW. So I'm going to show you how to get to the correct website, how to get to the tutorials, and some different options for turning in your work when you are done. Okay, so once you get to the makecode.microbit.org website, you'll see where it says My Projects. If you scroll down under that, the first tutorial I want you to do is called Flashing Heart. So you would click on that and then Start Tutorial. And it's just going to take you through every step for how to make a flashing heart. So you'll just keep reading the directions. It will tell you what step you're on up here. If you ever want a hint, if you click on this microbit icon with a little light bulb, it'll give you a hint and maybe play a little video, and then you just go on to the next one. When you're done, you're going to finish your project. So I have already finished my project. So if I click up here by microbit, I can go and see it. It saves your work as you go. You don't ever have to save it. You just have to name it something sometimes. So today I have flashing heart, and I can see the coding blocks that I used right here. And then on the left side, this picture of a microbit is called the emulator, and it will show you what your code will do when it runs. So here's my flashing heart project. Now if I click right here in the upper left corner where it says microbit, I can go back and see all the projects I've already done. If I scroll down, the next tutorial I want you to do is called name tags. So you would do the same thing. You would click on that, start the tutorial, and go through the steps that it tells you to do. Since I've already done this, I'm going to click on the upper left corner where it says microbit, and I'm going to find where it says name tag, and I'm going to show you that I have finished this tutorial. So it says Mrs. Bradley loves PLTW, and it is scrolling that over here on my emulator. Now, I think the scrolling goes kind of slowly. So if I wanted to change the speed of the scroll, I can't do it here in blocks, but I could go into JavaScript. Now, you don't have to do this. This is just if you want to play around with it. If I click on JavaScript, I can see the JavaScript code that's being used. If I want to speed up the scroll speed, I'm going to click after my words in quotation marks. I'm going to put a comma, and then I'm going to put a number in there that speeds it up. The smaller the number, the faster the words are going to scroll. So if I put 50 here and then click away from it, you can see on my emulator it is scrolling really pretty fast for Mrs. Bradley. Now Loves PLTW is still scrolling slowly, but Mrs. Bradley is going to scroll quickly. So let's watch it. That might be a little too fast. I might want to change that to like 75 or so. Then if I go back to the blocks, now I can't edit it with blocks, but at least I can make it scroll faster. So there are 3 different ways that you can submit your work to me. You could take screenshots and put them in one document or a pic collage. You could record your codes as they run and then submit that. Remember to get back to your other code. You would come here and see your list. The third option is that you can click the share button. If you click the share button, call it what you want, and then publish your project, it will give you a code right here. You can send me that code when you submit your projects. Make sure you submit both codes for the flashing heart and the name tag, and then I'll be able to see your code on MakeCode's website. All right, have a great day. I hope it goes well.